Okay, welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with integers, in particular combined operations. So in order to do this, we have to do our operations in some type of order. So we call this is the order of operation. We are going to use an acronym BOMDAS. You may have seen it before. So it is brackets first, then our operation, or you may have heard it as indices. Okay, so they're the powers. We have multiplication is next. Then we have division, addition, and then lastly subtraction. Okay, so when we're giving an equation, we follow through those things. If they exist, so if there are brackets in your equation, then you would work out the brackets first, and so forth. So let's say we had brackets 2 plus 5, close bracket, plus, let me make that a bit clearer, plus 3. Okay, so this is obviously not going to have all of our operations in it, but that's okay. We're going to make it a bit harder later on, but let's just solve this one first. So using BOMDAS, so I'm going to write this BOMDAS back up here. BOMDAS. So BOMDAS says that we should use our brackets first. So 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay, so we have removed the brackets now and we've computed 2 plus 5. Then we have here in our order of operations, it says to use operations or our indices. Now we have no powers, so we don't have like 2 to the power of 2 or whatever, so we can skip this one. So we skip it. Then we move on to multiplication. Is there any multiplication there? No, there's not. Is there division? No, there's not. Is there addition? Yes. If I was then to go plus 3, carry it down, we are then going to compute this, which is going to be 10. And over here, there is no subtraction. So therefore, we have solved this equation. So let's have bracket -5 plus 3 times by 2 plus 12 divided by 4. Okay, again, we're going to use our BOMDAS. So our first one is going to be brackets. Alright, so -5 plus 3 is -2. Again, do we have any operations? No, we don't. Do we have multiplication? Yes. So if I carry this down, what's the rest of this? So I'm just copying the rest of this line down here. In this case, because we're doing multiplication first, -2, let me underline that just so you can clear, -2 divided times by 2 is -4 plus 12 divided by 4. So I'll just carry this down again. Our next one now is our divide, our D. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So essentially now we have, I'm going to move it over here, -4, because that's what it says here, plus 3. Because 12 divided by 4 is 3. So now we have -4 plus 3 equals -1. So to solve this equation here, this one right here, the answer is -1. Okay, so let's have another practice. So this time we're going to do 4 times 3 bracket -2 times -5 to the power of 2 divided by 2. So again, let me write BOMDAS up here so we can remember. We're going to do our brackets first, so this one. So in this case, -2 times -5 is -10. Now, I'm actually just going to copy these down just so you can follow what's going on. Now, remember from previous videos, 3 and then we have a bracket. There is a hidden multiplication there. So in this case, when we rewrite it, it's 4 times 3 times this negative 10 to the power of 2 divided by 2. All right, so now we have done brackets. Now we have to do our order of operation, our operations or our indices, depending on what you want to call it. So in this case, negative 10 to the power of 2 equals 100. So we can write this down here. Again, we can rewrite the rest of it. Okay, so now we've done our indices. Now we can move on to multiplication. So 4 times 3 is 12, times 100 is 1200. Again, divided by 2. Our next one is division. 1200 divided by 2 is 600. We don't have any addition and we don't have any subtractions. So therefore, the simplified or working out this equation up here, the answer is 600.